Hi, I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. In this Excel quick tip, I'll show you a super handy shortcut to track formula dependencies in your spreadsheet. This will help you see exactly which cells your formulas are pulling data from. Let's get started. Step 1. Identify a formula cell. Here I have a worksheet with some items, prices, and a few formulas. If I click into cell G2, you can see in the formula bar that it's a fairly complex formula. Same with cells G4 and G6. They all rely on data from other parts of the sheet. Now, instead of just staring at the formula bar and trying to piece it together, Excel has a quicker way. Step 2. Use the shortcut. Hold down the Control key, then press the left bracket key on your keyboard. That's Control plus left bracket. When you do this, Excel instantly highlights the exact cells that the formula depends on. For example, in F3, pressing Control plus left bracket shows me it depends on 3 other cells. In E2, the same shortcut shows me it's dependent on B2 and C2. Step 3. Use it for troubleshooting. This shortcut is especially helpful when troubleshooting errors. For instance, let's say I meant to type 25.99 into a price cell, but instead typed the letter O instead of a 0. That creates an error in my formula. If I select G2 and press Control plus left bracket, Excel highlights the source cells. I can quickly scan them, spot the typo, and fix it. Problem solved. So remember, whenever you're working with formulas and want to know what they depend on, just press Control plus left bracket. It's one of the fastest ways to trace dependencies and make sure your formulas are set up correctly. I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post more Excel tips.